Variance and standard deviation. The definition of variance is VAR brackets random variable x measures the dispersion of sample values of x around the expected value e of x, which is the same random variable that we had in var of x. So the mean square error, it measures average of squares of errors / deviations. It's the difference between the estimator and what is estimated. So below that we have variance is equal to e times x minus mu of x squared, which is equal to the expected value of difference between random variable x and ex squared. And mu of x is equal to the expected value of variable x. So below that we can write it also as variance of x is equal to the expected value of x squared minus the expected value of x squared. So you would square the entire expected value of x, while in here you would square variable x before you find the expected value. So what does that mean? It means the higher level of dispersion, which is the error, equals higher variance. It's not unusual for the values to be far from the average if it's high. So if we have two sets of values, 5, 10, 15, it has the same expected value as the other set, which is 9, 10, and 11. But the variance is different. And if variance of random variable x is equal to 0, that means all numbers in the set of x are identical. So standard deviation, this little symbol right here, it stands for standard deviation of random variable x is equal to the square root of variance x. So basically, variance is standard deviation squared. So why would we use standard deviation? It's because the units are the same as the units for random variable x, because variance is x squared, the units for x squared. So units within standard deviation are usual, while outside one standard deviation are atypical. And most practical applications use 2/3 of one standard deviation as the norm. So it's not one standard deviation is equal to the norm. Yeah. So note, if linear, we have expected value of a, which is a coefficient, times x plus b is equal to a, the the expected value of x plus b. And for variance, we have the variance of a times x plus b is equal to a squared times the variance of x.